Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on TradeZero. And step 1 is create yourselves an account. And you can start doing this by clicking here on start trading, select free paper trading, and then fill in your first name, your last name, select your country, fill in your country code followed with a phone number, and then fill in your email address and followed by a password. Then you click right here on next, and then you will get a notification that they sent a verification code to your email. Fill that in, and then afterwards click on next, and then you can log in because they sent an email to you with a code, and you can use that code as your username followed by the password that you were using right here, and then you can log in. So if I go back and I click here on login, click here, you see this is my code. So it looks something like that. Then there's my password, and now if I click here on sign in, he will send us right here to this page. Now you will find right here a quick instruction about paper trading, but I already know how it works because you're clicked right here to this video. So right now, if we go to trade and select right here launch 03, he will send us to the trading platform. So right now you will see a lot of information, but we are interested in two things. 1, the order ticket, 2, the chart. So if you want to change the chart right here, you can go right here to symbol and search, for example, for Apple. Now, let's say there's Apple, we click on Apple. And if you go right here to order type and we search for Apple, now we have exactly the same. So let's say we want to buy 1 share of Apple. We fill in right here quantity 1. We go to root paper trading because we are having a paper trading account. Market type, order type is market, that is fine. Then we can fill in the price, but I want to buy directly. So we click now on buy, then we do right here, confirm. And now we get a notification that our order has been requested and has been placed. And there it is, filled. So now we just bought ourselves for the price that is standing right now, a share of Apple. And this is how you can demo trade. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you have any questions about demo trading, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.